Hello, first graders, and welcome to another lesson of Meeting Characters and Learning Lessons. Some of you have been reading many books. I just have one worry. Maybe you won't remember all those great stories. So let's work to make that happen. Today, I want to teach you that the best way to remember a book forever and ever is to tell someone else about it. After you read a great book, you can take it to a friend and say, "Can I tell you about this book?" If you mark some of the important parts, it will help you to retell what happened. Let's read the next chapter of our book, Iris and Walter and the Field Trip. Chapter 2, The Bus Ride. Chapter 2, The Bus Ride. On Friday morning, Miss Cherry said, "We are very lucky to have Jenny's mother come on the field trip with us today." Jenny gave her mother a big hug. "I know we are going to have a great time," said Miss Cherry. Now let's go over the rules. Remember, pay attention, hang on to your partner, stay with the group, and if you get lost, stay where you are and I will find you, said Miss Cherry. "I've never been lost, have you?" Iris asked Lulu. "No, and I sure wouldn't want to be," said Lulu. "That would be scary," said Benny. "Really scary," said Walter. The children climbed aboard the school bus. Iris and Walter chose the very last seat. They bounced up and down. Benny told knock-knock jokes. Lulu made up silly fish songs. Everyone was happy and excited. Nobody thought any more about getting lost. Let's think about the most important things that happened in this chapter. I'm going to get some Post-its to mark those pages. This will help me to retell the story. So let's see. I'm going to go back here to page 15. Oh, let me mark this page because this page tells me that they were getting ready to leave for the field trip. Let's see if I can go through some more pages. Oh, here's another page. On this page is when they got on the school bus and headed to the aquarium. I'm going to mark this page. Now, try this strategy with one of your own books. Remember to mark the pages of the important parts to help you retell the story. After you finish reading your book, mark the pages and retell the story to someone. For a challenge, send your teacher a picture of the pages you marked and retell what happened in the story. All right, readers, off you go.